Very quickly before purchasing one of these, I want you to just go ahead and make sure that you have the right hookups in order to make this work, because I didn't do that at first, so now I'm not sure I can actually use this. It could be a wonderful product, but unfortunately my version of Nest might be way too old. So this is a Nest thermostat. It does not take any batteries, and it requires power in order to stay on, or you have to take this thing off your wall and recharge it almost every day, and that's pretty inconvenient. So you can buy one of these. This is the Hotop 24 volt C-wire adapter. So my furnace does not have a C-wire, which is the power wire, which if you had a C-wire from your thermostat, you could plug it into this and this thing would stay powered at all times. Mine doesn't have that, so I bought one of these in order to plug it in, and I noticed in the directions that you need to plug it into the C and either the RC or the RH plug, and then I looked at mine and unfortunately no RC, no RH. So this is a very old version of the Nest, and unfortunately it doesn't look like I have the proper hookups in order to hook this up to it. So I just wanted to make sure that you take a look. If you're going to be purchasing this product, take a look at the diagram here. If your Nest doesn't look like that, then I'm not sure that it will be able to hook up and work, especially if you have one of these older versions like I have. So seemingly is a great product. Lots of people are saying that it's great and it works great for them, as long as you make sure you have the proper hookups for your particular Nest unit. So there you go. I hope that helps a few people.